Hello everybody, probably don't know who I am. I am Evan with Crafty Evan. So I'm going to be teaching you how to take a pumpkin to a super cute, glamorous pumpkin. You can do whatever color you want. I use Dixie Bell Paint, and I'm going to walk you through the process right now, what I used. I used lightning white cleaner, and what you do is you take 2 heaping spoonfuls and you just dump it in very hot water, and it dissolves and it becomes a cleaner, and you wipe everything off. And second, I used fluff, and it is such cute names. They have such cute names. And second, I used for the base coat, I used rosé or very shiny pink, and right now I'm base coating it with silver bullet. So let's get started. So I already did that, so I'm gonna give you a tip. You always probably want to do it on the bottom. If you don't want to do it on the bottom, that's okay, because I doubt anybody's gonna see it. Oh, make sure to remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and make sure to give this a thumbs up because I really need it right now. Thank you. I got these pumpkins at Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree is amazing because everything's for $1. And don't get me wrong, I love so many places that have crafts. Oh, make sure to check out 44 Marketplace with all this Dixie Bell paint. You'll love it. The other day I was thinking, and I was like, oh, we need to do pumpkins. And this just came. And so I went to 44 Marketplace, and she is the best. Miss Pam is the best. I love her so much. Make sure to go check out her YouTube channel. She helped me figure out some cool craft ideas. So if you get a chance, stop at 44 Marketplace because they have all these cute ideas. I got this idea from Miss Pam, and big shout out to Miss Pam. Thank you so much, Miss Pam. Now we got our first coat on, so we're just gonna do 2 coats because I feel like it's a lot easier just to do 2 coats, but the thing is you can't do 1 coat with this silver. It's kind of tricky. Metallics are very tricky to do, but I'm just trying to find all my extra orange that I have right now and get it covered up. So it's going nicely. You know what? You'll have to comment down below what's your favorite craft that you've done. I'd say this is probably my favorite craft that I've done so far. Now we're gonna go on to our polka dots. So I have these foam brushes that make life so easy for me. Oh, I'm gonna stick that into silver paint. I'm gonna warn y'all, and I probably won't suggest this for y'all, but my parents let me use a dried up towel, old, whatever you want to call it, towel that you need to do. So now that you have that out the way, I'm gonna use rosé again. It's kind of like opposites attract, huh? If you don't know what I mean, this is gonna be directly, so silver's gonna be that color, and the pink color is gonna be the silver color on that one. I guess that's a good way to put it. So I'm just using the top. Really, I think that's how I like to do it whenever I use foam dots. It's a lot easier to do too. And I'm gonna warn you, don't use this one for the top. I use a thinner version of, that one. So that's what I do. Let's see if I can fit one there. Yep. And eventually, if you don't have any more paint on the top, I would suggest you, if you like, to put the cap back on and shake it up. That's a good choice for you and your paint. You can either add a little dots, or you can even do stamps on it, or you could either do stencils, whatever suits you for this, unless you just gotta make sure it's for crafts, because it's very, very easy to mess it up, but it's very, very easy to have fun. You'll have to comment down what your favorite one is. You can either say pink with silver, or silver with pink. I think the pink with silver is my fave. I learned at a very young age not to leave your brushes dried up with paint because you ruin your brush and you don't either want to get your mom or your dad or whoever you're staying with mad. Or it can even be yours, but I suggest not to do it because I would not want to ruin one of my brushes. Thank you so much for heading out to my video. And please remember to hit that thumbs up button and just subscribe. And if I can get up to, let's think, 100 views on this video, I will take one of my crafts and try to do one. And I'll try to do one. Let me think. I'll try to do one blindfolded. Thank you so much for coming out. Bye bye.